A week ago, I made a video on Instagram explaining how to earn money on Instagram. But is that a legit way to do? Do you think it really works? Or what is the actual scheme? I'll be answering all those questions in this video. Also, I'll be exposing the reality of money making scheme on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. This will be an interesting video, by the way. Take photos, create posts, get paid. Is that how it sounds to make money on Instagram? The answer actually is yes. Instagram can make the real money, but there are several caveats for this. Like, this statement is not exactly right. Let me explain you one by one. It is easy to believe that you'll never make a living by promoting products on Instagram, but there is real money to be made in social media promotion. Consider this app has 800 million monthly active users, and you'll see why companies across the industry spend 1 billion to 1.5 billion on year on sponsoring Instagram content. Well, some brands only pay influencers between $5 to $10, or some even go up to $1,000 or $10,000 depending upon the followers or the amount of content they have. It's not that easy to get into this Instagram business because the bad news is there are already very successful people, and in order for you to get up and go till there, you need a lot of patience and a lot of courage, and you need to have something that is viral in every post that you upload. You can take many other entrepreneurship plans or anything, but it all completely depends on you. So just to make money on Instagram, first you need to think about the style or the tone and the subject of matter of your account. Then there are many actually accounts on Instagram which actually follow on lifestyle or tech and all. So you need to have something very unique about your account. And you have to build your feed regularly. So in Instagram, your feed is your resume. Instagram is a huge platform, and once you know what you're doing, it is possible to make an income from your post. That said, if you're serious about making money on Instagram, then you should view Instagram as your job. So your feed is your resume. What you need to do is make proper bios and upload proper links, shortcut them, so like using the bit.ly or any other website. So even when any other person clicks on that link, you will be getting a little amount of money from that shortcut link. So you need to post pictures every day. Not that you have to post continuously, but you need to maintain some frequency. And also all of those posts should be over quality. You should prefer quality over quantity, because instead of posting 5 or 10 pictures a day, you can post 2 pictures for 2 days, and you can make good amount of money from that, and also increase your followers very rapidly, because you know what you have uploaded and you know what is viral, you know what's gonna trend. So based on that, if you upload, it will really take up in the Instagram search page. Guys, here what happens is Instagram content affects the SEO, that is the search engine tool. Whatever you post, the keyword use or the hashtags that you use, everything will affect the whole search engine. Because in case your post goes viral, or in case it is reaching thousands of members, then most of them are clicking on that, so that this link will come up and that will set a trend. So you need to remember that there should be linkage between all the posts that you post. The main thing about Instagram is the hashtags. Once you follow the hashtags properly, like now if I go and search for the top 100 hashtags, the first one is hashtag love, that is almost for I guess 949 million posts. And then comes Insta food or photo of the day, TBT, cute, me, beautiful, etc. So it's all actually very complicated. However, getting people to engage with your post isn't as simple as creating beautiful content and sticking a few hashtags on the end. Building a following is about using the right hashtags so your work remains visible among the millions of other posts. When you're just starting out, you should aim to use hashtags with fewer searches results, so yours has a chance of being seen. Like suddenly if you start using the hashtag love, there will be hundreds and thousands of posts on the same day or at the same time that you post, so people will try to ignore it. So once you post a photo with unique hashtag, your post will be compiled and it will be stored in that hashtag, so whenever people search that, your post will be there, it will be visible to all of them. For example, giving this hashtag clean eating features almost 36 million posts. At the same time, if you put this hashtag called clean lunch ideas, they have only 500 to 600 posts. So you can actually use proper hashtags and build your content on that. You can't actually make direct money from Instagram. You need to have a follower limit, like at least 10,000 or 20,000 followers, and those should not be fake. You can pay money to some people and they can get you followers, but the truth is they should be active followers. So they need to check your post regularly, like them, comment them, so that brands will approach you, or you can approach brands and tell, see, this is my in output and you can actually sponsor me and I'll help you to grow your brand. So that way you can actually reach out the brands and they will support you. So what is the verdict? It is entirely possible to earn life-changing money from Instagram. I am not telling it's impossible, but building a profile and engaging your followers takes a lot of commitment, work, patience, and everything. The upside is that you don't have to invest money in this venture. So that is actually a nice thing. And you can upload photos whenever you are in the world. Becoming a social media influencer is a hard work, but also you won't have to invest anything. So you can actually do it when you're free time, but in the rest of the time you need to think, what is that next content that I have to put, or you need to plot graphs and see which one is actually mine. Becoming a social media influencer is hard, just like anything else pursuing, but both the creative and monetary rewards can be incredibly fruitful. So I would like to end this on this note. So that was everything about the money making scheme on Instagram. I hope you guys liked it. If yes, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care, guys.